Chapter 11, Our Home and Environment. Our home is a place of safety, love, and care, while the environment around it supports our daily needs. The way we build and live in our homes affects nature, so it is important to live in harmony with both. Today, we are going to talk about something very close to us, our home and the environment around it. A home is more than just a structure. It is a special place where we live with our family, feel safe, and grow together. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, strong winds, wild animals, and other dangers. But what makes it truly special is the love, care, and comfort we share inside it. Different types of houses in India. As we travel across our country, we see different types of houses. In areas with heavy rainfall, houses have sloping roof to allow the water to flow down. In deserts, houses are made with thick mud walls to keep them cool inside. In marshy regions, people build houses on stilts to avoid water entering the home. In the hills, people use wood to build warm and strong houses. In cities and plains, we commonly see houses made of bricks and cement. These house types depend on the climate and the natural resources available in that area. Why houses are different? People build different types of houses depending on the weather, land, and materials available nearby. Soil, wood, stone, leaves, sand, and tin sheets are often used. Local customs, habits, and the environment influence the shape and style of houses. The problem of homelessness. Unfortunately, not everyone has a house. Some people live on the streets, under flyovers, or in temporary shelters. This may happen due to poverty, unemployment, illness, or natural disasters like floods or earthquakes. The government is trying to help such people by building night shelters and starting housing schemes for them. Construction and its impact on the environment. Construction work uses many natural things like soil for bricks, limestone for cement, sand for glass, and wood from trees. It also needs a lot of water and energy. This process creates pollution, dust in the air, loud noise, and waste. It affects the health of people and animals and harms the environment. Overbuilding and environmental damage. As the population grows, the number of buildings increase. Forests are cut down, hills are dug up, lakes and ponds are filled, and farmland is lost. This leads to problems like soil erosion, less rainfall, dirty air and water, and the disappearance of animals and birds. Our environment suffers greatly because of this. Eco-friendly houses. We need to build houses that are kind to nature. These are called eco-friendly houses. They use solar, wind, or biogas energy instead of coal or oil. They recycle kitchen waste and water, allow fresh air and sunlight inside, and use local natural materials. These homes help save energy and reduce pollution. Do you know? Underwater shelters. In some countries, like those in Europe and North America, people have built special shelters under the sea. Tourists can stay there and watch sea creatures swimming around them through glass windows. It is an example of modern housing that connects people with nature. What we have learned. We observe a variety in the types of house construction in region of different climate. Houses are built to suit the climate of that region. Different materials, all obtained from nature, are used to build homes. We should be judicious in using energy. It is necessary to build eco friendly houses. We must take care that the environment is not harmed.